I talk a lot about sugar in my videos, and I've talked about different sugars, and I want to kind of encapsulate this subject because a lot of people don't understand how there can be healthy sugars and unhealthy sugars. Generally speaking, when we talk about sugar, we talk about how we need to avoid it and talk about the harm it does to our bodies. We're referring to table sugar or sucrose. But I've also done videos on D-mannose and xylitol, which are beneficial sugars. D-mannose is the sugar that is so amazing in eliminating and preventing urinary tract infections without side effects. And xylitol is the sugar that is so beneficial in the mouth and the throat and also for dealing with sinus infections. And in many cases, preventing ear infections. And if you're interested in more information on those subjects, you can refer to the videos I've made. Sucrose, or table sugar, is the one that we talk about as the enemy, justifiably so. Sucrose is a disaccharide. That means it contains 2 molecules of sugar, 1 molecule of glucose and 1 molecule of fructose. The glucose is not harmful to us. Glucose is the same as our blood sugar. And of course, blood sugar is not harmful unless it becomes elevated. The other molecule is fructose, and fructose is the bad guy. Now, some people will argue, well, fructose is a sugar in fruit, and that means that fruit must be harmful as well. Not so. The amount of fructose in fruit is much, much lower than the amount of fructose in, say, a soda pop or a candy bar or cake or cookies, and it is absorbed into the bloodstream more gradually. A little bit of sugar now and then is not a big problem. The problem is the amounts of sugar that people consume. And remember, high fructose corn syrup contains even more fructose, and it's more harmful than just regular sugar. And agave nectar is a scam. It is also very harmful.